the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
Y'all, I ordered a new camera today, and I am so excited. I'll see if I can insert a picture of what it looks like here. But I am so excited. Sadly, it's on back order, so I don't actually know when it's gonna get here, but I'm still excited regardless. Anyway, let me get to this. about to make the world's best summer sandwich. And we're gonna do it with sourdough. I'm only gonna do like halves. Okay. Just picked this from the garden. Just gonna slice it up. This sandwich, like we've had it 3 or 4 times this week already because it's so good. Also, if you are lucky enough to have some peach trees, use the peaches. I think we're gonna plant some peach trees next year, maybe it is, hopefully. So we need a couple slices of peaches, which I've never really cut a peach like this before, so we're gonna go like that. Seems like a nice, yeah, that's good, that's good. Okay, save that for later. And we need, I have a billion knives over here. We need fresh mozzarella. I'm probably gonna cut all of this, maybe. That seems good. Alright, so I just put butter in there, and we're gonna slap this down. And add some mozzarella. I'm actually going to need more because I lied. Be right back. Got another piece. Okay, we need that. We need the tomatoes. Oh, I'm just like so pumped thinking about this here. It's also very, 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 I don't know how many times I could say very. It is a messy sandwich. This is gonna be mine. Jonathan doesn't love tomatoes, so that one's gonna be mine. Okay, and then the peach. Make sure you stay tuned because there is a secret ingredient at the end. And the secret ingredient makes this sandwich so good. We're gonna go like that. I never said that this was gonna be pretty. Then we're gonna take some basil that we picked from the garden. Except mine is inside now. We're gonna put her like that. I feel like I'm so excited. Like I've got some excitement in my voice because this sandwich is just so good. That's good enough. All right, we're gonna let it cook. I know the tops aren't super toasty, but that's okay. We'll flip them over. Hopefully the bottoms aren't too done, but I think it's gonna be just fine. The secret ingredient would be hot honey. So you take it. I never said the sandwich was not messy, but that would be the best sandwich ever. Our table is so messy right now because there's like dog stuff on it, and I'm starting to decorate for fall, and yeah. There's Calvin, there's Molly, and Mumford's somewhere. Mumford's on the couch in our messy living room because of all the dogs. Anyway, we're gonna go eat these delicious sandwiches, and see you guys later. Peace.